Edge Nation, it's your boy CitizenEdge coming through with another banging video. If you're new to my channel, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell to be updated with the latest and greatest of information. So you see it right here, the SentrySafe. This is what I've been having the past 5 years without a hiccup, or without a hiccup I can't fix myself. But we'll get into that right in a minute. Model QAP1BE. That is Quebec Alpha Papa 1 Bravo Echo. I'll provide a link in the description below about the cost, where you can purchase it, so you can get it cracking safe and sound. This one I keep in my room. There's an option to mount it. They come with 2 wooden screws. But if you want to mount to a steel surface or to your vehicle, you'll have to purchase those out of pocket. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and within that 1 year, if there's any defects, if you want a refund, if you want to exchange it for another exact model, if you want to, they'll do that for you, but they also will give you company credit on another product. Okay, so let's check it out. As you can see, it has the biometric fingerprint. It has the coded entry, and also it has the override or key entry. They come with 2 keys. Put it in there, and it opens. I won't show you my code, of course, fingerprint. There's a number of different ways you can enter this safe via fingerprint. You can just tap the keys to wake it up, swipe your finger, it'll open. You can swipe twice like I do, and it'll open. Or you can rest your finger and then swipe down, and then it will open. You can put up to 4 fingerprints in here. Let me remove my things, you know what I'm saying? 2 Glock 17s. Let me see here. If you want to know why I got 2 Glock 17s, I'll let you know. I think I have a video on that, but if not, you know, I'll make one. You have the cover, and then you have, takes 4 AA batteries, and there's a reset button behind here. It's a great design because while you're changing out batteries when they are low, you won't have to worry about inadvertently hitting the reset button and fucking up all your codes, okay? So 4 AA batteries, and it's pretty cool. There we go. All right, but it has foam covering, about a good 3/4 inch of foam covering, and I keep it nice and clean, as you can tell. Had it for about 5 years because I'm a clean type of person. It has also the same foam protection or padding up top. This whole thing weighs, I'd say, about 15 pounds. Very durable. And this has been my go-to safe. You have children or people you don't want touching your valuables, especially weapons. You know, you're well protected. You have a household, 4 fingerprints, 4 codes. 4 fingerprints and a code override key. Safe and sound. I like to use it when I'm in bed. I have one out, I have one in for my family. You know, somebody hears some noise, go in that mug, bam. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I recommend to everybody for starters. Before you start accruing other firearms and going with the traditional locker safe, which will cost a couple hundred to a couple thousand, depending on which model you choose, for what capacity you like, this is the way to go. So in the meantime, the in-between time, let me show you right quick. So when I press the biometric fingerprint, look at that. It barely opens enough. If you're ever in a jam where you need to access your firearm very quickly, this could be a difference between life or death. Let's try it again. See? You gotta lift it up. By the time a person that came in and bust through your room, your home, your private space, game over. So I'm gonna show you how we can fix this. The tools you need are going to be some pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, and I have a regular wrench here. And for the wrench, well, if you go my route, all you need is a 5/16. Let's get that in focus right there. Little wrench there. It'll do the job just right. But you'll need a socket wrench with an 8mm socket head there, okay? But you know, for females especially, or people that are handy, or you may just be in short supply, you won't have the exact perfect tools. But nonetheless, this will do the job. So, of course, you'll open it up. And the problem here, which causes for the slow entry and it barely opening, is because this gas strut here, it needs to be replaced. So, I purchased this off Amazon. I'll provide a description link below. Apexstone. It comes with 2 gas struts, and we'll see how this works. So we'll just open this little bag here and get out the gas struts. As you can see, that comes with 2. All this extra stuff we can just get rid of. This is usually to mount, you know, the struts to drawers or whatever, but we will not need this. So I'll just take this out. Dun, 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 dun. Of course, you would just need one. Move this to the side here, and we'll just unscrew the top. Take the ends off because we'll utilize the ends of the existing strut. So this is the top, and this is the bottom. Oops. Alright, cool. So top and bottom. And then you'll just unscrew the bottom here.
Life is a maze, life is a face. Life is so full of craze. This life, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Be an ass, drive a wraith, live the mode before you drive away. Hold strong, never stray away. Keep up, before I fly away. Echoes as your fate.
You take your pliers just to stabilize a little nut over there, and just unscrew it. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Hold on, am I doing this shit right? Yeah, I am.
Let go like the last days. 10 bows in the fast lane. My day 1 got my namesake. We head strong. We ain't fake. We keep it true. We don't play. We keep the blue on our waist, babe. Ain't no candy paint, no dessert on my dinner plate. Level up. It's a new day. Crazy currents. It's a new wave.
The stock is longer than a replacement, but you'll see the difference because a door with the stock strut opens at about an 85-degree angle, and you should be able to open it at least 75 degrees, but of course it's more than ample room to fit your hand through there and reach a firearm. So we'll take the head off of this one and the bottom and the spring off and put it on this bad boy here. So removing this part, the top, the spring, and the bottom, and slapping it on here. Alright, right there. And take the bottom off. Make sure you don't lose your spring. Then you put the spring on the new strut and you slap the bottom on. Screw it all in real good. Grab your pliers, stabilize this bad boy here. Get your little wrench. Of course, if you have a socket wrench, the socket head will go a little faster, but you know, no need to spend the extra money. Get it all the way as tight as possible. Almost there. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on. Let me see something. Oh yeah, nice and tight. So let's test it out. Oh yeah, open up real nice. Coat. Hell yes, I'm talking about. So let's test this out real nice and proper, okay? Both. Unlike other gun channels, my guns are always loaded with one in the head, okay? One is always in the chamber. Check out my videos, you know what I'm saying? What's the point of having a gun ready if you don't have one in the head, you know what I'm saying? So this can hold two full size. These are the Glock 17s without no problem. You know what I'm saying? And I can actually put 3 mags in here. 2 here, 1 here. Helps with it being, you know, nice and level. So there you go. That's how you fix and troubleshoot your Sentry Safe. This is the way to go. So in the meantime, the in-between time, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can be updated with more information from the latest and greatest of gun channels. This is your boy CitizenEdge, and I'm out.